Hey there, welcome back to the shop. So today we're going to button up our 2007 police bike that we did the Vance Hines exhaust system and the R&S Big Sucker air cleaner kit. We already had it on the dyno, and on the dyno it made, let me try to get you out of the glare, 84 horsepower and 104 foot-pounds of torque. The pipe sounds pretty good. All we have left to do is put the heat shields on it and then go for a test ride. So hopefully we can get that done before it starts raining, but we'll find out. So I'm just going to pop the footboard off, toss the heat shields on, and we'll get out there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Well, we just finished up the heat shield installation, and the instructions tell you to put the heat shields on first and then put the whole pipe on the motorcycle, but I don't know, I don't like doing it that way. It seems like it's too risky to scuff a heat shield, because that's exactly what this whole bike came in for, is this exhaust system. So the first thing the guy's going to do when he walks up here, he's going to look right at the exhaust system and make sure that it looks perfect. And that's the way that it needs to look. So I'm still waiting on the front footboard bracket, but the weather's nice. I wanted to get the bike out on the road and test ride it. I do that with every single bike that I tune, because you got to make sure that it's perfect. But the heat shields are looking good. There's not a scuff on them. There's like a two little dotted area like right here. It's super minor, probably even superficial, but that was the way that the front heat shield came. And obviously you want to get the heat shields butted up as close as you can, but there's a little sliver at the top. There's nothing I can do about that. That's just the way it is. But it's good. The pipe's in good shape. So let's get this bike turned around and get it upstairs so we can take it for a test ride.